Merck got busted, had to pay $7 billion for Vioxx. And the Wall Street analysts were saying the company is finished because that was their biggest product. But Merck said to them, no, we got something better. We're going to get a product that is going to be mandated so everybody in the world has to take it, every teenager, and we're going to, this time we have no liability and we can't get caught. And within Merck, you know, we now have documents from them because we're suing them. It was called an HPV Help Pay for Vioxx.
FDA scientist David Graham testified that he estimates Vioxx caused more than 100,000 heart attacks, 30 to 40% of them fatal. But Graham told members of the Senate Finance Committee that his FDA superiors ridiculed him and insisted on changes.
I was pressured to change my conclusions and recommendations. One drug safety manager recommended that I should be barred from presenting the poster at the meeting and also noted that Merck needed to know our study results.
Graham offered a blistering condemnation of the FDA's drug safety program, saying that the system is broken and often overlooks the dangers of drug side effects.
The FDA, as currently configured, is incapable of protecting America against another Vioxx.
These legal documents spell out what Merck knew and when they knew it. In clinical trials during the late 90s, the company tested whether their anti-inflammatory drug Vioxx could prevent cognitive decline in patients with Alzheimer's disease. Life-threatening risks were documented but were never reported to the FDA or the public.
The company found a threefold increased risk in mortality and failed to see a safety signal. By scientific standards, this is a major safety issue.
Dr. Bruce Pasady and colleagues at the University of Washington reviewed numerous legal documents from litigation involving Merck and Vioxx. In a published report in 2004, Merck reported that Vioxx is, quote, generally well tolerated by the elderly patients in our study. But this internal company document tells a different story. It reveals Merck knew about an increased risk in mortality associated with Vioxx, and they knew this in 2001.
If these findings had been made public back in 2001, many fewer people would have taken Vioxx, and because it is associated with an increased risk of mortality and of heart attacks, many fewer people would have been harmed.